Oh guys, morning, blessed day, be grateful for today. So within the past week or two, I've been getting a lot of requests. Hey Nick, show us how the AI prompt does function. Show you how it does work. Now I decided to record this video to really show all you how it does work because I am so mind blown. I'm so mind wobble on the accuracy of this particular prompt, and I want all you to switch all your mindset to technology. So I'm going to show you all how this thing does function. I already made my 20% on my real account, so I would not try to even enter a trade today. Okay, so I wouldn't try to enter a trade today. I've made my allocated amount to compound for today. What I will say to the beginners, do not, as a beginner, you hardly have money in your account. Do not try to focus on trading gold. Do not try to focus on trading BTC USD. Try these slower pairs: Euro, JPY, Euro, AUD, GBP, JPY, things of that nature. Because when you're supposed to risk 2 to 3% of your capital, and gold is very, very volatile. So without wasting all your time, I'm going to show you how to use this. So basically this is the prompt here, and this will scrape data, information, news, candlestick patterns, everything. So what I will do, I'll simply copy this. Now I'm showing you all how I will approach it and how I does actually do it, right? So we will go here and we are looking at Euro USD. Now I will be posting this video on YouTube, and if you see it on YouTube, be sure to like the video. Also, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number down in the description, so you could send me a WhatsApp message. This prompt is not free. It is not free. It comes at a cost, but when you contact me, we will talk about it. So I just using this as an example to show you all a practical example of what I will do. So we're looking at the Euro USD, the 4-hour. This is designed to trade 4 hours. I will take a screenshot here, so I'll have my screenshot ready, and then I will go to Cloud AI, which is an app that you could install for free. So you want to use technology to your advantage. What I will do here now, I'll click on the plus button here, I'll select photos here, and I'll find the image that I just take here, click on done, and I'll paste the prompt that I just copied in my sticky note. Okay, why is this opening so? And I'll hit the arrow. Now what happened here is that this is pulling real-time information with regards to this particular pair, and so it will scrape the data about the macroeconomics first to the current date, which is today, and I have certain checklists here. Here are certain things that I will analyze here that need to meet my criteria. However, if the market is consolidating, which is the market going, so the market could move in 3 directions. It could go to upside, which is buy. It could go to downside, which is sell, or it could go sideways, which is up and down, which is choppy markets. So when market is consolidating, that is where you should stay out of the markets. Okay, and I had that filter here. Now this particular prompt, uses top-down analysis, and if you all know what top-down analysis is, it's actually the strategy that Mr. Dapo Willis, the most successful trader in Africa, actually used. Now he uses higher time frame for direction, and he uses the lower time frame for entry, and with that strategy, that is 9 out of 10 times you are right in terms of actually hitting take profit and so forth. All right, now what I will do right now, okay, so I got the data. I'm going to show you all what I will actually type in, what exactly how I use it. I'm going to show you all, right? Okay, so I will say based on the chart image, did you see any, based on the chart image and prompt, did you see any high PROBABILITY setups? Now I'm going to tell you all this, right? With this, when you have this prompt, you could exit every single signal group that you have. You can exit every signal group that you have, because signal groups are hit and miss. You're gonna lose more money than you're actually making. Okay, so it's saying that no high probability setups. So critical. So it literally telling you what to do here. I have one more message until 3 p.m. Okay, so I'm gonna ask it one more question here, because the market, it seems as though it is actually choppy. So okay, so I will say this, right? Okay, because the market is in consolidation mode, I will ask it for two lines here that I will mark as buy and sell on my chart. So a simple thing, when the price literally pass the lines and the candlestick close, I'm gonna show you all this, right? Okay. So give me two lines to mark on my chart for buy and sell. So all the confluences, all the green check marks is things that we are looking for to line up. And this here, what I'm asking the AI for is just to make additional confirmation that the trade is actually going to go in a buy position, but put an upward movement trading in direction with the trend. Okay, so give me two lines to mark on my chart for buy and sell. Okay, the price must break the line as in buy, and candle must close over the price. And for the sell, it must break the price below, and the candlestick must close below. Okay, please write it as buy, and I put a dash, and sell, right? So I can use the info for my chart, and they be respectful and they say thank you, because this AI is our mentor to scrape information from the Forex chart. And so simple as you are not a Forex trader, you're gonna use artificial intelligence to your advantage. Now look at this information, right? Buy, it's saying that 1.1720. So it's gonna break above. It go past the line, and the 4-hour candlestick, right? It's 4 hours a price action. So the candle will close above it. Now, if for some reason the candlestick do not close above the line, the setup is basically don't take no trade. Don't take no trade. Right? You want to make sure that it abides by the rules that we're given here. And so for the buy and for the sell, it says that 1.1650, it has to break below, and the 4-hour candlestick must close below. Okay, and I'm gonna show you all this, right? Remember, let's leave it open here. And go back in the okay, let's go back in chart, right? All right. So what is the price for the buy it says how much? 1.1720. Okay. We click here. 1.1720. Okay, that'll be here. That's now, let me fix it good. 1.17. Okay, I like to get to the point here. Okay, and for the sell, what it is for the sell, I'm gonna make the chart a little, okay, more, okay, fix it a little more, good. And what is for the sell? The sell is 1.1650, 1.1650, 1.1650, okay. So that is here 1.1650. PL patient guy, we have to get accurate on point here. We need to get accurate on point here. Alright, good. What you could do is that we could change the color of the line, because green is we buy, right? Okay, so let me just click on the pencil here. Let me change the stop line to green here, and we could adjust the thickness to suit. We're going to put it on number 2, then we could save it. And so okay, I put the wrong color for the wrong stuff, right? The wrong thing, right? Green will be on top, so I buy, and the below you can put it for as a sell, right? So you could just do so, click here, put it on red, and as I say, you could adjust the thickness of the line. And so this is what we're working here with. And so this candlestick, if all you're watching good, if it's, I'll zoom up. Okay, so every single candlestick here, this is the red is in our sell, the green is in our buy. Each one of these things here represent 4 hours of price action, 4 hours, and then one of these things closes here. Now if you watch closely here, you'll see the time, 24 minutes, and then this one will close. So what you're looking for is that one of these candlestick here, one of these long things here, it had to pass this line here that are marked, right? The 2 lines that are marked, either to the upside or to the downside, and it must close. When it closes under the line, it have to close under the line in a sell and over the line in a buy. If it closes inside the line here, inside the lines, no trade. So if it closes under the line here or over the line as in a buy, you could press buy or sell. You could press that as much time as you please, but I will tell people always manage all the risks. And I mentioned to stay away from gold, because with gold it is so volatile. It gonna make you lose a lot of money from your account, especially if it's a beginner. On a pair like Euro USD, now you can sort of manage the risk better now, because the SL, you could put the stop loss at $200 and it a good distance away, you know, so most likely it wouldn't hit your stop loss now. Alright, so what I will do, I want to show you all how to manipulate this script in order that you could use it to trade other pairs as well. But as a beginner, I will sort of tell all you, just like stay away from the fast pairs, use the slow pairs, manage your risk, and only use high probability setups. In trading, less is more. Remember that, right? Remember I say that, right? Okay, so the timer for the messenger for the amount of messages for Claude has expired for this hour. So I'll have to come back and show you how to manipulate this thing, and so you can use it to trade other currency pairs and so, right? So guys, I'll come back in a little bit and just follow up.